Hi everyone, if your alarm system is making this type of noise or a chirping noise that wouldn't stop, the most common culprit is your battery needs to be replaced. And that thing's not gonna stop until you disable the system or you manually override the alarm. So each system is different. Some of them you just have to press a button. Some of them you'll need to press a select button or a cancel button. So if you're not sure what button to press, all you need to do is just press on each button. So you don't really need to press the number of buttons. Check the one of those buttons right there. Okay, so I'm gonna press one button right here, and that thing stopped it. Okay, if your alarm system wouldn't stop with the press of a button, the next thing you can do is go to the control panel. So in the control panel, you'll have a battery and also an adapter. Some security system, all you need to do is unplug the battery, but some will require you to unplug the battery and the adapter as well. I'm not sure if it depends on how they wire the system or if it depends on the manufacturer of the system, but you want to remove the battery first, okay? And this thing should remove the power to your device, but if you still have the power and the noise came back, the next thing you need to do is remove the adapter right there. Okay, so I hope that this quick video helped you to take that annoying sound out of your house, and please make sure to click the like and the subscribe button to help my channel, and thank you for watching.